Shout out to Nike, baby. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna and I'm just so excited today. I'm so excited today. I got new shoes. I have new shoes. I'm so excited I can't stop saying it because I have new shoes. I haven't got new shoes in a very long time. If you are here from Creating the Vision, which is a series where I am documenting my fitness journey here, 2024 was the year that I started my walking journey. And when I say I ran my shoes to the ground, I wore them out. Okay? The only reason why I got new shoes today is because when I was walking out of my house to go to work, the first thing I felt was a wet sock. I said, ain't no way. There is no way that there's a hole in the bottom of my shoe. I said, it couldn't. Maybe my shoe just still wet from the rain. Every time I'm walking closer and closer to my car, and my sock just feel like it's getting wetter and wetter. The reason why I didn't get new shoes before for fun is because I'm like, there's nothing wrong with these shoes. They might be a little dirty, but they getting me through, so I didn't buy any new shoes until I didn't have a choice. So I'm like, now you don't have a choice because I can't deal with no wet sock. I can't. I can't deal with no wet sock. It's time. So I got me some new shoes, but I'm gonna show y'all. These, they don't even look that bad. And the thing is, look, I'm not no shoe head. I never really been like a gym shoe head. I love heels, but I can't wear heels on my walk, and I'm not wearing heels to work because they don't deserve it. So I put on I call them my grandma shoes. These my grandma shoes, airport shoes. Okay, they do look a little bogus. But when I say ran them to the ground, look at that hole. Look at the hole. How did that happen? It walked them to the ground. I got my steps in. The knees. All right, maybe they do look a little bogus. But that's okay. I got my steps in with these. So out with the old and in with the new. I really don't remember the last time I bought new shoes. I think those was the last new pair of shoes that I bought. Okay, no, I brought some loafers from Shein last fall, but I don't really count them because those some every once in a while type shoes. But the last shoes that I bought, I think were those, and I bought those like May 2023. So I haven't gotten any new shoes in a very long time. But I must say, when I say during the pandemic, I was buying new shoes every week, but they was heels. I can't do nothing with those. And it just never dawned on me to rack up on gym shoes. So let me show y'all the shoes that I got. This is gonna be really funny. These are the Nike V2K run shoe, and it's so funny because they actually look like the cream version of my grandma's shoes. So, wait a minute. Low key, they might be cousins. But yeah, so this is the new shoe. I wear 9.5. Tall girl. No hose. So comfortable, and they really remind me of those shoes that I have already. And I love neutrals. Like when I tried them on, my sister was like, them look like some shoes you would have. Like they actually really do look like a shoe that I would have. So these are the first ones that I have. I wanted a pair of shoes that I can wear like every day, kind of like my grandma shoes that I have to put to rest. So sad. I'm gonna be so sad to throw them in the trash. And then the second ones that I have, these are the Zoom Air Fires. And I seen these and I said, yeah. Yeah. At first when I picked them up, Danielle was like, them ugly. And then when I was looking at them again, I said, I think those is actually some of the type of shoes that I was looking for. So I went back and I couldn't find my size. They were in the clearance. I couldn't find my size. And then when she called me so that I can look at some shoes that she had on, why she have on these? I said, I just was looking for those. And she was like, I'm getting these is cute. I'm like, okay. So I went back, and as soon as I turned the corner, I seen it wasn't in my size section. I seen a 9.5. I said, yeah, let me get those. I'm like, let me get those. And so we both got these shoes. But these is about to be some really good walk-in shoes. I'm very grateful. And let me get to the price. So both of the shoes were on clearance, and then the all clearance shoes had an additional 30% off. The original price for these was $89. It was on sale for $64, and then 30% off took off $19. So these were $45. And then these were originally $125. They got marked down to $94 with the 30% off discount. It took off $24, and these were only $55. So my total was $111.93. Okay, and I did go over my $100 budget, but it was worth it. It was worth it. So I am very satisfied with my purchase. And you know, the thing is, sometimes I tell myself, like, I am such a responsible person. And so I really just tell myself, Deanna, just because you want these things doesn't mean that you need them. Which is why I didn't buy myself a new pair of shoes beforehand, because I had shoes. I said, these work, they're comfortable, they're getting you by. I think you'll be okay. And I'm just like, yeah, you're right. Let me take care of my priorities, you know? So I'm making sure that everything else was taken care of, food on the table, roof over the head, my lights is on, my water is paid, all of those things, you feel me? And then it's something like you get a hole in your shoe that's just like, oh, wait, I need new shoes. And so I didn't have a choice but to get any new shoes. Now, one thing about it, I'm responsible, but I'm not finna walk around with no hole in my shoe. That's not even no pride thing. That's uncomfortable. So very happy about my purchase. And I'm gonna be back probably mid-spring to see what other type of sales they having, because I think it's time for me to become a shoe head now. I've really been trying to get my shoe game together once I found, like, I've been seeing the type of gym shoe that I like. So I've just been browsing, and I'm just always looking at shoes, and I'm like, these shoes that I be seeing on other people, I be seeing on pictures, I never see in store. And I seen the blue ones, I'm like, I like those. I'm like, let me get those. So I am very happy about my purchase, and I'm so excited to walk outside with my new shoes on. And I am going to have a goodbye ceremony with my grandma's shoes, because we have to part ways, and I am just very thankful that those shoes held me down during the beginning of my walking journey. And we have walked thousands and thousands and thousands of steps together. We have walked plenty of blocks together. We have walked through neighborhoods together. We have walked home. We have walked to work. We walked places. We walked to the store. We was doing a lot. So I got my mileage out, and baby grandma's shoe said it's time. So I'm very excited. And like, I'm such a, how can I say this? I feel like there's no such thing as a coincidence. Things are just so aligned for our life journey that it's just like, as soon as spring hit, I'm trying to tell you, as soon as the season shifted from winter to spring, that first day of spring, I walked out, the first thing I felt was a wet sock. And it's just like, new shoes for the spring. So I didn't have no choice. And so after I paid my mortgage, I said, let me take care of my business first. I paid my mortgage. And then I said, okay, I got $100. I'm going to go get me these shoes, okay? Because priorities first, baby. I don't play that. There's no way that I'm going to be sitting pretty with some new shoes on and my bills not paid. I'm not her. I'm not. And that's okay. So yes, I'm so excited about my shoes. If you made it this far, comment your favorite gym shoe, your favorite everyday shoe. What's some shoes that's on your wish list right now? And you all will be seeing me in my new shoes very soon. Subscribe, like, and comments. Thank you.